Guys, you're going to love this. Early tournament stream, a 2100 challenges me. Guys, I need to learn openings more than like 2 moves deep. Guys, if you like this video, smash like, tickle the subscribe button. Guys, give the bell a big smooch. This guy is 2149, guys. We beat our 2000 yesterday. Oh man. Now, is this knight f6? No, I don't think it is. I don't know the move here. Just gonna come here. Is knight f6 the e4, c5, c3 knight f6? One of them is knight f6 and one of them isn't. And I don't remember which one it is. You know what I'm saying? The straight c3, one of them it is, one of them isn't, but I don't remember which one. That's why I took so long thinking about it. Absolutely murdered it. Ben Arnold with the like, thank you. Okay, what do we take? We take... Could be blunder. I don't know. I don't know what to do. Okay. Now I'm going to stop e5. Or at least slow it down for a minute. There, I think I can hit this. We don't have... Okay. Yup. This is annoying, guys. It's annoying. I'm just going to castle. I guess this is a move. I think I have to unpin, guys. Or... this first. Always a pleasure and honor, Mr. KETRON. Thank you. 19-month subscriber. Thank you very much. So they were saying time management in a 10-minute tournament, guys. This is important. It'll give you a guide. Mr. KETRON gifts 5 subs, guys. Okay, he plays e5. Now I can't take... Can I? It's 2100. Anthony Fowler found a support button. Anthony, welcome to the exclusive Chiller supporters only group. There is a chess workshop on Saturday at 4 p.m. Central Time, guys. Central Standard Time. And you now qualify to show up, Anthony Fowler. Have a slow game in your history. Okay. Knight takes. Knight takes. Bishop takes. Then this knight jumps somewhere. I just don't see it, guys. Because I could take with check if he comes first. So I might be passive, but I don't think I lose. I think we won a pawn, guys. I think it's a 2100 player. We're down 2 minutes on the clock. Okay, so here's what they said. It's a 20-40-40 rule, guys. It's easy. 20%, 40%, 40%. Okay. Check. Right, and then... here. He's getting is a problem. It's probably loses. Knight takes, I have to play queen. Yep, takes. He messed my pawns up and he gets a 7th rank, guys. And I'm just probably just losing. Right. I think we should probably hit the bishop. Right? Hit the hopper. And then take our 7th back, guys. And then run a king over. And I'm up a pawn in a worse structure. All I got to do is not lose, guys. Right? Looking at this. Does it lose? Takes, rook over, rook d8, exclam. Self-pinning. It's a self-mutilation, folks. I think I'm okay. Yeah, Anthony, welcome, man. Guys, Anthony, how did you do that? Did you look at your little bell notifications? Guys, because if your little bell, it will, I think it was a bad move, guys. think this was a bad move. Because it lets me develop, guys. Okay. Right. And now I'm okay. He could try and do some malarkey. I'm probably gonna do, yeah, as fast as possible, developing as fast as possible. Okay, I think we're gonna double up. Then come here and double. And this square is weak, and then this square will then become weak. Australia Day tournament. Reg is open. Get in, guys. Okay, what do you do? What do you do? He brings the rook back to make a check. I don't know why he swallowed the fly. We're up, right? Check, king over, check. I just take it, right? Okay. So should I have stayed on the 7th? His rooks were better than mine, man. Right? We own the file. Let's come here. And then I'm going to play this. Maybe once he abandons this area, we're going to start taking some dark squares. We're going to start inching these pawns forward. Yeah. This way. Is that a bad move? He probably does this. Is that like well, no, because this is hanging. I'll come up and push maybe. I want to start shoving pawns, guys. I want to take all this space. I want to control all these squares. Right? I'm not sure what to do. I don't have a lot of time. Bielski, how you doing, man? Under 1,500 today tournament, Bielski. Get in and win yourself a tournament. You can just, like, take space, I think. He's just doing nothing, you know what I'm saying? He's okay. Justin Conway finds the supporter button. Guys, am I winning? I think I'm winning, guys. I think he blundered. Oh, okay. Okay. That might be the move. That's the move, guys. Ha! Now I take and I win another pawn. Ah, you guys like this? What do you do? Good, undoubling. We're gonna do this first. Okay, and then we take care. Wait. How do I improve the position? I don't think I can. I think we win another pawn. We make a passer, and then we're gonna have right. He'll get active, but I'll take with this. Guys. Crushing. What do you do? Okay. Mm-hmm. Just bring it around town. It's over, guys. This is how the game should have ended the other day. Good game, guys. Guys, it was unrated, but we beat a 2000 yesterday, unrated, but a 1510, and we just beat a 2100. We're gonna take a look at this, see how bad it was. Tournament starts in 40 minutes. Yeah, that was a good game, man. He blundered a pawn. He played 79% accuracy. I played 85. I had two great moves, guys. I had two blue moves, but neither of us had a brilliant. And then he made one blunder and 3 mistakes. That's what cost him. The blunder, I think, is when he just gave me the pawn. If I at all even was supposed to take the pawn, and we're gonna find that out right now. Okay. First thing I want to look at, review. Let's just start the review. Last book move. Okay. Let's go to openings. So it is. See, Dave Joyce. I remember here. C3. Then the Knight F6 is not the #1 move. It is. So. It's for both. There was a line, and I thought it was the C3 Sicilian, and I thought one of them, Knight F6, wasn't the move, but it's both. Michael, if he plays, and he plays his bird in Dutch, he's a threat at under 1,000. Love the content. We'll definitely be back. Farmer Red Gaming, thanks, man. Thanks for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Gary Watkins, Himalayan, Brian McCrickard, Justin Conway, and Colin Bielski. Thank you guys for all the likes. Justin Conway found the support button. We have gifted subs in the chat, folks. So check your little bell or hit this thing and get your sub. Might be gifted or consider subscribing. We have a chess workshop Saturday at 4 p.m. It's a private chess stream. So Knight F6, Dave Joyce. Knight F6 every time. Knight F6. E4, C5, C3, either Knight F6 or D5. Yep, D5 is the move I usually play. I used to play. E4, C5, Knight F3, D6, C3. This is where I used to play D5 sometimes too, and that's not good. C3, just Knight F6 again, man. You just play Knight F6. Okay, well, I learned. I didn't know. We just improved our opening now. Knight F6, #1 answer. A6 is only one game. #1 answer in this position is E6. Okay? E6, developing castle. Just remember, you got the symmetrical position. I'm behind a move. Get your butt developed and castled. Yeah. Okay. So, probably not best. Now there's a bunch of games though. It's so weird. It said A6, there's one game. One person plays A6. I play A6 and all of a sudden 4 games pop up. I don't understand how to read these databases. Hey, Turval VNK T says Lula Ladreo vai corner o se boteo. What does it mean, guys? What does it mean? Lula the thief will eat your button. Might want to keep an eye on that one, folks. Yeah, keep an eye on that one. Or you're from Brazil. Welcome. But I don't know what Lula the thief will eat your button means. So we might want to keep an eye on that. Okay. So, bishop there. Okay. E6. Bang. Bishop. Oh, queen C7. Okay. Again, here's the way to find the best move. It's been E6 and now bishop E7. because it's all about castling. And I want to play queen c7 because I want to stop e5. Number one move by far is this. So queen c7 here, okay, and then bishop e3 was the only maneuver. Okay, so here, and I don't know if we're gonna get a transposition. Okay, go back to the review. He is clearly better, like right here. That's not the best move. It's plus 1.64. That is Grandmaster. Take the pawn. So it was good to win the pawn. Another Grandmaster. That's inaccuracy. You know the opportunity to develop a rook off its starting square. Oh, really? It wants rook b8. It says, this develops a rook off its starting square, getting it into the action. Meanwhile, attacking an undefended piece with a rook is not getting a rook off its starting square and into the action. Right? Hey, man, they do the best they can. They do the best they can with this stuff, folks. Okay. Isn't that funny, though? Right? And the funniest part is, they say, you ignored an opportunity to develop a rook off its starting square. And rook b8 gets it into the action. Woo! Feeling that action. But still, it's stockfish, so I believe it's better. But I think for a human, this is better. Rook d7 is best, my plan. See, that was best. Good move. Good move, Muhammad. I didn't see it. If you're in chat, say hello, Muhammad. b6 is good. Rook d2. Guys, what did David say? Almost always. Almost always. If you could take the 7th rank, it's almost always the best move. Rook d2. f4. b5. Bishop b3. Bishop b7. Rook c7. What? And this is not good. Because he'll get my bishop. Okay. Okay. Take 7th rank, guys. I didn't do it. Good move here. Okay, excellent. In this position again, guys. Supposed to take the 7th rank. Guys, I won't listen to David. I got a FIDE master freaking telling me, and I won't do it. I just keep thinking maybe this is not the time. He already said most of the time. It's probably the move. It's like I tell you guys in the workshops. If you can castle, if you're rated 400 and you can castle, it's probably the best move. And I just know that from seeing it. That's just the nature of the way things works, folks. All right. Travis Tarpley is here. Travis, how you doing, my brother? Oliver Bell with the like. Turval, TFI, Gary Watkins, and Himalayan with all the likes. Thank you, guys. It really helps the stream. I got to tell you guys something, man. I asked in Charly Sardo Gaming how you started playing chess. And I thought it was going to be a nice question. I've seen it asked on other pages before just to get some conversation going. I got emotional, man. I got emotional. All these people, sadly, it was in prison. It's like, dude, that's okay. You took something good out of a bad situation. You know what I'm saying? It's like that. To me, that's a little bit touching. I think it's because I love chess so much that for you to tell me how you learned, how you got into chess, you guys know me. I'm a big emotional sucker. And a lot of people, my dad, my grandpa, my uncle, and my dad. Yeah, man. That I answered as many as I could, and then I had to go to work, and then I got home late, and then I woke up and ate food, took a little nap, and I'm here. So, okay. But yeah, it's awesome. I love the freaking, I love the answers, guys. Bishop b7. There, okay. Doubling is excellent. F5 is best. F5, I guess, is cool because you know what it does? What does it do? One thing it does, although this rook doesn't really have anywhere to go over here. I'm like, it kind of locks the rook out. Yeah, but it doesn't do anything. Okay. Here. There. Excellent. Bam. 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 Here. Okay. Now it's a mistake. What? Wow. Trade. Oh, because he's threatening us. He's threatening this too. So he gets a third pawn, guys. That's crazy. That's an interesting way to play this, man. Oh, and what did it say the move is? Wait, on F5. It's -2. I'm still better. But in this position, it's -3.9. Travis Tarpley says, my dad was the one to teach me. He also taught me gin rummy, 42 spades, and pretty much everything, LOL. Travis Tarpley, that's funny. I love a lot of the comments were in chess club at school. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. I love I just love it. I love all those comments, man. I'm an emotional fool, guys. Now, it's -4 here. This is a bad move. Am I just winning material? See, guys, this move I played to threaten check and mate and check bishop back is the only way to stop the mate. And then this move, winning the bishop. That's why I played this bad move, because it's a blitz game. I didn't necessarily know that it was a bad move, but I'm sure there's something better. Travis says, yeah, I like those too. I did chess club also, but already knew how to play. Cool. You know what's funny? I don't know for a fact that my high school did not have a chess club. Rook B1 is excellent here. King G7. King G7 is best. I guess I don't have to do that malarkey until he unpins, but well, I don't understand why moving back is a good move, but it's stockfish. It wants me to trade. Rook F1 is better. This right here is -5.86. But, and I bet I know the move, guys. Watch. Blunder. How's it a blunder? E5. Bang, bang. Oh, and yeah, we got him split, guys. We got it's like the serve in the tennis. You got to bounce back and forth. This is crushing because he could come up to try and save this pawn, but then I go here, and we win. He's way too far away to take this pawn and then this pawn, and then I'll have 2 queens by then. Guys, this is the endgame malarkey. This is the endgame malarkey. I should have just played rook takes rook in e5. Just knowing this crushes. We got to look at this, guys. We got to remember this. If he comes, this wins everything. So he has to take. And now he's got these 2 weaknesses, and I am further advanced. He can only defend 1, guys. But it all loses. This is just completely losing. I didn't see it, guys.